how to go in category screen, either clicks on this tips or this burger screen or this icon. So you can see here, whenever you hover mouse, it shows maintain category. If you click this burger icon, then you can see this is maintain category, and also via the tips control alt C. Now let's suppose I can go in the category. So this is a category screen. So here just two important features. So either you can add a new category or you can edit a category. Let's suppose if you want to add a new category. So you can click here on add new category, or you can, if you want to edit an existing category, you have to just click on this edit. Okay. Let's suppose we want to add a new category. Okay. We will click on the add new category. Here we have either you have to enter here the category name, or you can change it to active and inactive if it is a existing category. This is an advanced feature. This is an advanced feature, category visible to end customer and add new suggestion. Add new suggestion help you to add the suggestion. So that is feasible for the online billing or e-card or app to show your customer some suggestion, like a cold drink will be you can use with this category, like that, some suggestion. Okay, and if you want to edit some category, just click on the edit category. You can add here suggestion also, or you can mark it as inactive. If you mark it as inactive, then it will be changed to inactive. Okay, if you have to search any category to make it edit, so there is directly you can click this filter button. Okay, so you have to click on this filter button. Here it is a filter button. It will not show here. When you click, then only it will show. Okay, so here you can click on the filter button, and here you can type anything. Let's suppose mocktail, and then you will find here how to edit. Okay, so this is how you can edit it. Thanks for watching this video on how to use category screen. Have a great day. Please subscribe us. Thank you.